Upstate South Carolina, you are invited to the South Carolina Community of Churches Fall Conference. Starting October 20th through 22nd, 2022. In Inman, South Carolina at Greater St. James Temple 13255 Asheville Highway. Make plans to attend as we come together again for in-person worship. Conference speakers include Thursday night 7:30 p.m. District Elder Eunice Woods Coahee. Morning Manna, Friday 10:45 a.m. with Pastor Craig Cash. Friday 1:30 p.m. midday session with suffragan Bishop Gerald Haynes and Lady Ida Haynes. And a powerful word from the Diocesan Bishop, Charles H. Ellis III, at 7:30 p.m. All services will be held at Greater St. James Temple, 13255 Asheville Highway in Inman, South Carolina. To learn more or register online, visit our website at www.scsccouncil.org.